Hello， 大家好，我是 Katrina. Welcome to my channel Smart Mandarin. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to say I don't care in Mandarin. So the idea actually came up with one of my students. He had a car accident the other day, and I say, oh, where did you hurt? Did you hurt yourself? And then he said, I hurt my back. And I say, oh, so you cannot play any sports? And then he say, oh, that's okay, I don't care. So he asked me how to say I don't care, because he wanted to say, oh, I don't care because the weather is not so good recently, so I cannot do any sports. And then it got me thinking, how do you say I don't care in Mandarin? Because there's more than one way to say I don't care. And also, before I wrote the script about this video lesson, I also saw some other teachers' video lesson on teaching how to say I don't care in Mandarin. And I think that there are more ways to say I don't care in Mandarin depending on different situations. More different ways to express than you saw videos on other YouTube channels. So I'm going to try my best in this video lesson, and in my following video lesson, the next video lesson will be in this link, okay, to tell you how to say I don't care in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, so now let's get started. First of all, every teacher will say 我不在乎 means I don't care. Yeah, that means I don't care. But I don't think a lot of people say that, depending on the context, as I told you. So 我不在乎 I don't care. It sounds formal and mediocre. And when do you use 我不在乎? Let me give you some example. 我不在乎别人的想法. One more time. 我不在乎别人的想法. So 不在乎 sounds a little bit formal, not so colloquial. In this sentence, it means I don't care other people's thinking. 想法 means the way of thinking. So it means that I don't care about what other people think. 我不在乎别人 other people 别人的想法。我不在乎别人的想法。So in this case, you could say I don't care using 我不在乎. If I want to extend the sentence, I could say 我不在乎别人的想法，我只想做我自己。I don't care what other people think. I just want to be myself. 我不在乎别人的想法，我只想 I only would like to 做我自己。做 means to do. 我自己 means myself. To do myself means to be myself. 我只想 I only want to 做我自己 to be myself. I don't care what other people think. I just want to be myself. And the second to express I don't care is 不关我的事。不关我的事。Okay, 关 comes from the word 关系。关系。关系 means connection or relationship. Okay, so 不关我的事. The 事 means 事情 matters. So literal translation means it's not related to my matter. It means it's none of my business. So if you want to express, no, I don't care, it's none of my business. 不关我的事。不关我的事。Okay, so for example, you could say 他要做什么都可以，不关我的事。He can do whatever he wants. It's none of my business. 他要 he wants to 做什么 do what. He wants to do what means whatever he wants to do. 他要做什么做什么 literally means do what, but here means do whatever he wants to do. So 做什么 or 他要做什么 is actually a huge grammar point, and if you want to learn that, I have a full explanation in my advanced beginner's course, you can hit the link down below in the description box. So, 他要做什么都可以。可以 means okay or allow. So he's allowed to do whatever he wants. 不关我的事. So whatever he wants to do, it's none of my business. 他要做什么都可以，不关我的事。Okay, so this is how you use 不关我的事. And it also expressed that I don't care. And the next one is kind of rude. It is 关我屁事。关我屁事。As you can see that 关 means 关系 again, relationship. 我 means me. 屁 means fart. 事 also means 事情 matter. So it means that literally is it's none of my business. Okay, in Mandarin it literally is that, but we don't say business. We say farting business. It's none of my farting business. 关我屁事，关我屁事。So when you say that, you have very different attitude because you really don't give a fart. Okay, so you would say 关我屁事，关我屁事. Okay, it's none of my farting business. So example, there are two people and one person say, 你知道吗？他跟女朋友分手了。So the person say, 你知道吗？ You know what? So do you know the news? 你知道吗？他跟女朋友 he and his girlfriend 分手了。分手 means to break up. So he broke up with his girlfriend. Hey, you know what? He broke up with his girlfriend. 关我屁事。关我屁事. Okay, that with the attitude, you will sound like a native speaker of Mandarin. Next one, 关我什么事？关我什么事？ It sounds like a question because 什么事 is what matter. What matter is it related to me? What matter is that related to me? 关我什么事 means it's none of my business. Why are you telling me this? 关我什么事 which also another way to express I don't care. Why are you telling me? 关我什么事？关我什么事？ The same you can use the same example. 你知道吗？他跟女朋友分手了。关我什么事？ It's none of my business. Why are you telling me? 关我什么事？ Next one. 所以呢？所以呢？ It actually kind of like English. You say so. So what? So. 所以呢？ 呢 is the question. So. 所以呢？ Okay. So let me give you a new example. 你知道吗？他在欧洲找到工作了。你知道吗？ This expression you have to remember. It means, you know what? Hey, do you know that? So whenever you want to tell someone a news and you assume people don't know and you would say, hey, 你知道吗？ Hey, guess what? You know what? 你知道吗？他在欧洲 He in Europe. 欧洲 means Europe. 他在欧洲找到 found 工作 job. 他在欧洲找到工作了。He found a job in Europe. 你知道吗？他在欧洲找到工作了。And the other person replied, 所以呢 So, I don't care. So, 所以呢 So you also have to say that with an attitude like 所以呢 So, like I don't care. Why are you telling me this? There are still other expressions about I don't care in Mandarin Chinese, but I cannot say all of that in one video lesson. So I'm gonna put the sequel, the next video lesson, to this link, to this course. So if you wanna see the course or you wanna see more video lessons, you can go to my online course and also maybe go to my Patreon and see all of my video lessons. And also I hope this video helps you to express I don't care in Mandarin Chinese and in different kinds of situations. Until then, I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。